Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Academic Outreach for Kids. Today, we're going to be learning about multiplication. For our first equation, we're going to take 3,211 times 5. So we put our multiplication symbol, and then we draw the line and do 5 times 1, 5. 5 times 1, 5. 5 times 2, 10. We place the 0, then we carry the tens place. We do 5 times 3, 15 plus 1 equals 16. And that's our answer, 16,055. For our next equation, we're going to be doing something called 4 by 2 multiplication. It's going to go like this. 4,521 times 35. We're going to draw our symbol and then draw the line, and you go 5 times 1, 5. 5 times 2, 10. 5 times 5, 25 plus 1, 26. Then 5 times 4, 20 plus 2, 22. Then we add a 0 to mark the place value. Then we go 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 5, 15. Put the 5, then cross out this 2 and carry the 1. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13. So we place the 13, draw an addition symbol, and add this all up. 5 plus 0, 5. 3 plus 0, 3. 6 plus 6, 12. 5 plus 7, 5 plus 2 equals 7, plus 1 equals 8. Then we do 3 plus 2 equals 5. And then we place the 1. Then we draw our commas, and it's 158,235. For our last equation, it's going to be a little bit harder, but I'm sure you guys can manage. So it's going to go like this. 6,781 times 5,532. So it's going to go like this. We do 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 8, 16. We carry the 1. 2 times 7, 14. Plus 1, 15. Then we do 2 times 6, 12. Plus 1, 13. Then we add a 0 for our place value. Then we do 3 times 1, 3. Then we do 3 times 8, 24. 24. 24. Then we do 3 times 7, 21 plus 2, 23. Then we do 3 times 6, which is 18, plus 2 equals 20. Then we add 2 place values. And we do 5 times 1, 5. 5 times 3, 40. 5 times 8 is 40. Then we do 5 times 7 equals 35, plus 4 is 39. Then we do 5 times 6 equals 30, plus 3 equals 33. Then we add all of this together. 2, 9. Then we do 14, 7, 10. Then we do 6 and 3. So our answer will be 3,607,492. Thank you so much for listening. Make sure to like and subscribe.